Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you. And today's video is from a company called, I'll show you their box, kind of cute, and it's called GlitzGlam Box. And this is a $15 a month subscription service. And on their website, it states that this company started out with 3 sisters and a tiny small makeup obsession that grew into a deep passion for a slayed face every day. So I'm assuming that the 3 sisters run the company. So they offer the monthly subscription plan. They have a 3, 6, and 12-month prepay. And they do state that in your box you get 1 glitter product, 1 pair of lashes, and 2 to 3 full-size beauty products. And they offer items on their website that you can purchase. And they have other boxes that you can buy and so forth on their website, which is interesting. So let's open the box. And then inside, you know, it's just all different fonts of GlitzGlam Box, and it says, "We don't do basic." This is really cute. They enclose a card, and this doesn't have prices on it or anything, but it does tell you what your March box includes. That's a pretty postcard. And then it does tell you on the back. You can use that if you guys are interested in anything from GlitzGlam Box. Sub 40 for 40% off all glitter orders. Okay, so we'll use the card because it tells us what's in there. That's cute. It comes wrapped up with a cute little sticker. I guess everything's in the wrapping. We'll just double check that. Yes. So we'll put aside the box so everything is wrapped up nicely in the tissue with the sticker, which is cute. At least you're not searching all over the entire box for the products. Okay. Ooh, I'm sorry. Just bang that whole camera. So we'll just move this back here. Sorry. So the first item in the box says it's Glitz Glitter Shot by GlitzGlam Box, and the shades may vary. And this is just like a whitish blue glitter, as you can see. It's a nice size tube of glitter, and this you would need a glitter glue to apply. I'm not going to open that because I'm afraid I will get it everywhere, and I don't feel like having to clean all that up right now. It's kind of late when I'm filming this. And it did say you got a pair of lashes, so these are Milante Beauty, and these are the lashes. You sort of get a side shot of those. They're actually very pretty. And the lashes are faux glam lashes by Milante Beauty in styles chic or jealous. And I don't know if, and these I think are chic. I don't know what I just said, or chic. Probably chic. So these are nice. I mean, they are really pretty lashes, as you can see. Okay, so we got lashes, and then here, I'm assuming this is, Do I get 4 products this month? Okay, so this, I'm assuming this shade is Genie, and this is by Coal Eye. This is a Coal Eye pencil crown, and I don't even see that on here. Oh, yes. This is Glitz Glitter Eyeliner by GlitzGlam Box, and the shade is Genie. So let's see what the color is here. And that glides on very nicely. So there's the color. Here, let me try to get it on a smoother part of my hand. So that is the color right there. So it's, I wouldn't say it's black. It sort of has some glisten to it, so it almost looks like a bronzer, like a bronzy black or something like that. That's interesting. And like I said, they don't give prices on their card. And then the last item in the box is a 14-pan eyeshadow palette by Rude Cosmetics. So you could either get London, Tokyo, or Rio. Obviously, I got Tokyo. And here it gives you some of the shade colors in the back. This is pretty. And the packaging is the same as the outer box, with, with the shades on the back. Comes with a mirror. Let's take that off. I don't want to blind anybody because my light is going to glare right into that. Wow, they are beautiful. I'm going to swatch a few of these. Oh, they are creamy. So here's the first color, and that's this color right here. Let's just see. Ooh, that's a little patchy. Let's see if it's buildable. Definitely buildable, but there's, as you can see, no fallout in the pan. Let's try, I don't know which color to try. They're so pretty. Let's try this one. I mean, that one you can see a little kickback. And that's very pretty right there. So there it is on your finger. And then let's just try another matte. Now these are extremely creamy. And we're just going to put that right up my arm there. So, you might have to build, which I don't mind. So there's that color. I don't mind if you have to build them up a little bit. I mean, that's my preference anyway. I don't want a color to go on so intently that if I don't want it that dark, excuse me. Okay, I'm so sorry. That I have to either take the whole look off and start over. So I like sometimes when you have to build up, not every color, but I do like when you can build them up. And they are actually very, very pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay, so these are the products. So I got the eyeshadow palette, the glitter, the eyeliner, and the lashes. And that is the GlitzGlam Box for the month of March. And this is a first time for the channel here, so this is pretty interesting. I do like this. I mean, if we get palettes and an eyeliner and even some glitter, I'll have to get some glitter glue. I don't think I have glitter glue because I would love to try that. That would be, just like a little bit, not a lot. Or save that for a special occasion. That would be nice. So remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.